Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a super fun video. We are going to be doing the unboxing of the 2020 Advent calendar from my shop. Super excited to show you guys what we all had in store. I am going to be doing the entire unboxing in this one video, so if you haven't seen anything, like you haven't opened yours already and you don't want to be spoiled or anything like that, I would suggest you waiting until the end to kind of watch the video, or just kind of exit out when you have reached that specific date, because I'm going to be showing the entire thing. So the theme for this advent calendar was the changing seasons. I kind of wanted to do a box where it would include something for the entire year. So not just winter or Christmas kits, because I think that's really annoying when advent calendars are specifically geared towards winter and Christmas, especially when you are opening it like leading up until Christmas. You have all those spreads planned out, you have them all sometimes even laid out. So I kind of wanted to do something that would encompass the entire year. And so we did the changing seasons. So this box is going to reflect all 4 seasons, and I'm just super excited. Okay, so everything is pre-packaged based on the number or which day it is, so I will be showing you. So starting with day 1, you have our envelopes. So all our envelopes look like this. They have our characters on there. We have winter represented, spring, summer, and fall represented with all of our different Prairie girls. And then you have the nice day 1 written on there as well. So starting with day 1, we had 2 kit options. We had the standard vertical and the standard tall. I'm going to be showing you the standard vertical, but the standard tall stuff is exactly the same, just fits a different planner. Okay, so starting the advent off, we have first our business card and our freebie that came in the advent. And then the first thing up is a tiny kit. So this is our winter inspired tiny kit, and it is called Winter Weaves. It is a very like purple and blue color scheme. I absolutely love this. I think it's stunning. It's so pretty. So you have, since it's a tiny kit, you have your full boxes, half boxes, and quarter boxes, your functional page, and then your washi strip page as well. So all of our most of our items will be coming to the shop at a later date. So if you want to pick up the pages that are not in here to make it an ultimate kit or glitter headers or anything like that, you can do that at that time. So that is day 1 of the advent calendar. Day 2 is something super exciting. So you have the same envelope here, and we partnered up with 2 other shops. So this is from Planner Monkey Co. You get her business card to start off with. Super cute. Sydney is just the sweetest girl ever. She's so nice, and she just blew me away with the stuff she included with this kit. So you get 3 little die cuts. You get, I forget what her little girl is called, but her monkey on a beach towel for summer. And then you have one holding a flower for spring. And then you have a little winter one with her little toucan scarf and holding a coffee cup. Then you get 2 sticker sheets. You get these little square boxes with the little icons in there. You get summer, winter, fall, and spring again represented. And then her character as well, again with all 4 seasons. I absolutely love these. They are so cute and adorable. So excited for those. So that is day 2 of the advent. Day 3 is again in the same envelope. They all are. And we have winter icons. So these are just like little kiss cut icons that all represent something winter. You have, I think, 2 of each one. So we have 3 rows of icons, and then they're duplicated. So you have winter icons, and then you have winter foil. So based on which kit size you get, that'll be which foil sheet you get. So you have Happy Hanukkah, you have Merry Christmas, Kiss Me at Midnight, and Cheers to a New Year. Kind of thought this would be perfect for New Year's Eve and then for New Year's Day itself. So I wanted to include all of the, or not all, but a lot of the holidays that you would put in your planner for our foil boxes. So these are the winter ones that I chose, and then the winter icons. So you'll kind of see a theme for the Advent. They are all pretty similar, but we wanted to incorporate all 4 seasons. Day 4, we are moving on to spring now, and we have this spring tiny kit. It's called Flower Shop. Sorry, I hope I'm in frame there for you guys. It's super bright, super gorgeous. I love this so, so much. So you have your full boxes, your half box and quarter box sheet, your bottom washi sheet, and then your functional page as well. So that is the tiny kit for day 4. Day 5 is a little bit different. We have 2 things in here. So we have these seasonal organization labels, and it has all of the holidays that you would generally plan for, and then you have planner sales, birthday, and then all of the seasons here. I think these are awesome to organize your different stickers, and hint, hint, might be coming in handy for a future Advent date. And then you get a foiled sticker that is in purple foil. I hope that you can see that it's purple. Oh, probably there. So cute. So on the listing, when I sold the Advent calendars, I asked everyone to put their first name the way they would like it represented. So some people put nicknames, some people put their full name, that kind of thing. And so you got your name that you chose in purple foil. So that's day 5 of the Advent calendar. Day 6, we are sticking with the spring theme, and we have our spring holidays, and this is in rose gold foil. Sorry, I should have mentioned that the winter ones were in silver. So these are in rose gold. We have Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Easter, and Mother's Day, and I thought they were so, so cute. And then we have spring icons. Again, you have the 2 different sets and just a whole bunch of different things that represent spring. So that's day 6. Day 7 is, again, something a little bit different. This was packaged up in purple tissue paper, but we have an album for you guys. So this is like a 5x7 album, and it has the changing seasons on there with the 4 different characters, and then you have our Prairie Planner logo, and then the rest is just in marble. Okay, so it's the same size as the ones that we were selling in the shop, so it has quite a few sheets in there, and I think that those organization labels will be perfect for this to organize all of your seasonal or holiday stickers that you generally don't use often, because often we we'll only have like our fall stickers out for the fall season, and then we'll want to put them away. So this would be a perfect place to put all of those. So that is day 7. Day 8, we're back into the envelopes, and we're moving on to summer. So we have another tiny kit, and this one's called Beaches Be Salty, and it is so pretty. It's kind of bright, but kind of pastel-y with the yellow in there. So you have these full boxes here, the quarter box and half box sheet, the bottom washi sheet, and then the functional sheet. Super, super cute, very like lake time inspired. So that is day 8. And day 9, we continue in summer. We have our summer icons. Again, you have 2 sets of each of the summer icons here. And then you have our summer holidays, and these are in silver foil again as well. I tried to pick foils that you would generally use for those holidays. Obviously, they won't all incorporate each other, but I wanted to do the majority of them. So you have Father's Day, you have Canada Day, 4th of July, and then this one here is just some deco that you can use in a summer spread. There are not very many holidays that you would generally plan in the summer, so that is day 9. Day 10 here, we have a character sheet from my shop. We have a bunch of different skin tone and hair colors represented. We have 2 winter, spring, summer, and fall. And then we have this sheet from Alley Cat's shop. It is awesome. I love it so much. Again, she was super generous in what she in what we got from her for the advent calendar, and she made mini versions of her bucket list. So she has her winter bucket list here, spring, summer, and fall. So it incorporates all 4 seasons again. Super cute. All right, so that is day 10. We are almost done. Day 11, we are into fall. And we have our fall kit is called Be Thankful. It is generally a Thanksgiving type kit, but honestly, I think it's so fall that you could basically get rid of this kit, this box here even, and you'd have like a fall kit. I think it's so, so cute. So we have the full boxes, the half boxes and quarter boxes sheet, the bottom washi, which this is stunning, and then the functional sheet as well. So that is our Be Thankful fall kit for day 11. And last but not least, we have day 12, which is our fall icons and foil. So the fall icons, again, you have 2 sets of each, and I just love them so much. They're so cute. And then the fall foil boxes, you have this one that says Gobble Gobble for Thanksgiving. You have the Boo for Halloween. You have a little Black Friday with a little like sale tag. And then this one here is just, again, a little extra one. It's got some like little potions with this really cool outline. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the Advent. I loved making it. It was super, super fun to me. And I hope you guys love everything about it. If you got the advent calendar, I would love to hear in the comments how you liked it. What was your favorite part? If you didn't get it, I would love to hear what you would like to see come to the shop in the new year. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.